Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to blend any pattern on coffee cup. So let's get started. I'll unlock this layer. Using any selection tool, select the cup. Refine the selection. Now duplicate this by pressing Ctrl+J on the keyboard. Let's bring our pattern. I'll unlock this layer. Copy this layer. Come back to our main layer. Paste it here. Resize it accordingly. Reduce the opacity and check. Create a clipping mask with a below layer. Now change the blending mode to multiply. As you can see, most of our work is done. Let's do some minor adjustment. Select the layer, go to blending options and move the slider. Hold Alt and click on the slider to divide it. Now move the slider towards left side. Do the same for the left slider. As you can see, the pattern is blended very well. So next time use this trick. Thank you.